In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate a shared Gemini account completely free and unlock full access to VEO 3.1 and Nano Banana Pro with zero watermark. With this setup, you'll be able to create extensions, generate videos using VEO 3.1, add sound effects, and even apply lip sync text when needed, all at no cost. Let's jump right in. To begin, click the link I've added in the description to open the Gemini website. Once the page finishes loading, you'll notice the Gemini Enterprise section, which is Gemini's business-level version. Our objective here is to activate this enterprise plan without paying anything. This part is very important, so please follow closely. The steps are straightforward, and I strongly suggest watching and following along carefully so everything works smoothly. Let's go through it together. At this point, the system will ask for an email address. I've included a link in the description to temporary email services which we'll use to complete the activation. I open the temporary email page and I want you to focus on the top area. This is the temporary email that's automatically generated for us. Below that, you'll see a Generate New button. When you click it, the email address at the top refreshes. Normally, I prefer emails with Gmail or Google Mail endings, but in this case, you should avoid those because they're tied to Google and may trigger a password request. Instead, keep clicking Generate New until you get an email that does not include a Gmail or Google Mail domain, like the one shown here. Next, copy that email address, return to the previous page, paste it into the email field, and click Continue with Email to proceed. Now, the system asks for a verification code. Go back to the temporary email page and look for the button labeled Go. This part is very important. Clicking it takes you into the temporary inbox. I click it here. As you can see, this method allows the account to be activated quickly and easily. If you don't see an email right away, don't stress. There's a reload button available. Click it to refresh the inbox and wait a moment. Once the email arrives, you'll see a message from Google Gemini. Open it and copy the verification code inside. Go back to the Gemini page, paste the code into the field, and click Verify. This will move you forward to the next step. I know some of you will ask in the comments that the email doesn't always arrive. That's completely normal. If it happens, simply generate a new temporary email and try again. It's usually just a minor system glitch. Stay with me here. Now you'll be asked to enter a name. I type in my channel name, then click Agree and Get Started. You'll see a message showing that the system is signing you in and setting everything up. Up to this point, we haven't spent any money or used any credits. Just wait for the process to complete. On the next screen, click I'll do this later to continue. This brings us to the dashboard where you'll see the Generate Video option. When you select this, Gemini uses VEO 3.1 to create videos. You'll also notice access to Nano Banana, which we'll use shortly. I'll start by generating a video with a very basic prompt. You can even write prompts in Persian if you want. I'm keeping it simple here just to demonstrate the quality output. In the prompt box, I type that a person is applying makeup inside a room. Then I click the Generate button. Immediately, the system begins creating the video. I'll explain more features as we continue. Quick reminder, if this video has been useful so far and you're not subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others. That support really helps the channel and I'm grateful for it. Alright, the video is finished. I'll show you the final result toward the end so you can hear the audio and see how smooth it looks. As you can tell, there's no watermark at all. From here, you can also download the video directly to your device. Now I'll create another short video using a different prompt, for example, a dog walking beside the owner. I click Generate again. Since the first video took about a minute, I'll wait for this one to finish as well. Okay, the second video is ready. The quality is excellent, very realistic, and again, completely watermark free. VEO 3.1 generated it in under a minute. If you're choosing between Sora and VEO 3.1 for lip sync videos, VEO 3.1 clearly produces better results. If accurate lip movement is important to your content, this is the method you should use. It significantly improves production quality and gives your videos a professional feel. Next, I exit this section. Pay attention to the bottom menu. I click there and select Create Image, which takes us to Nano Banana. This is the Gemini interface we're currently using, and remember, this is a shared account being accessed completely free. One important note, if you're using a VPN, make sure your location is set to the United States. Now I'll write a new prompt. Earlier, we converted text into videos. This time, we'll create an image first and then turn that image into a video. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro is active and my prompt is ready. All the prompts used in this video will be shared in my Telegram channel. You'll find links to both in the description too. I click Generate and wait for Nano Banana Pro to create the image based on the prompt. Alright, the image is ready. Take a look at the detail and overall quality. It shows two siblings playing in a subpark illustrated in an anime style. Now we'll animate this image. I download it using the download button shown here. Then I tap the button at the bottom. Make sure you're watching this part closely. I go back and switch the mode to generate video. You'll notice a new option appear, upload file. This allows us to upload the image we just created. Once the image finishes uploading, I paste the image to video prompt, which is also available in my Telegram channel. I click Generate and wait for the animation process to finish. And just like that, the animation is complete. The result looks amazing with no watermark. You can download it instantly using this button. The quality is very high and the visuals are sharp and clean. Using this method, you can access Nano Banana Pro and VEO 3.1 for free and produce watermark-free content. Now, here's an important detail you need to know. While no credits are required at start, after generating several videos, you'll eventually hit a usage limit. When that happens, click the profile icon and sign out. Then repeat the same sign-up process again. Go back to the temporary email site, generate a new email, create a fresh account, and continue using the method as many times as you want. And here's the final output, an impressive result.